Gerek yok. Ben hallederim.
In this scene, gerek yok means no need. Ben means I. Hallederim means I'll handle it or I can take care of it. So, gerek yok ben hallederim means no need, I'll handle it.
Gerek yok. Ben hallederim.
Dur dedim.
In this scene, dur means stop. Dedim means I said. So, dur dedim means I said stop.
Dur dedim.
Ne yapıyorsun sen?
In this scene, ne means what. Yapıyorsun means are you doing? Sen means you. Here, sen adds emphasis to the person being addressed. In everyday spoken Turkish, ne yapıyorsun can sound like ne yapıyorsun. So, ne yapıyorsun sen means what are you doing?
Ne yapıyorsun sen? Seni ilgilendirmez.
In this scene, seni means you. It is the object form of sen. İlgilendirmez means doesn't concern. So, seni ilgilendirmez literally means it doesn't concern you. But naturally in English, it means none of your business.
Seni ilgilendirmez.